Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 genuine GT150 Royal Alloy motor scooter. This is the Gran Tour 150, the Royal Alloy Edition. Beautiful light blue paint scheme and this awesome retro style scooter. 150cc, so it's going to be plenty powerful to take you and a passenger wherever you want to go. This thing only has 216 miles on it. It's virtually brand new. I love the retro styling. Electric start, automatic transmission. Price to sell for just $29.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.